Hi guys, it's Amy from Baking with Granny here, and today I'm in my kitchen and we're going to make some flapjack.
Flapjack is super easy to make and it makes a wonderful breakfast on the go as well as a fantastic snack for kids. Before we get started, you need to preheat your oven to 180 degrees Celsius. Next up, we're going to prepare our tin for our flapjack. I'm using a 10 by 6 inches tray bake tin here, and I'm going to line it with some tin foil, making sure to get the tin foil right into each corner of the tin. Once we have fully lined our tin, we are going to generously grease it with some butter, making sure again we get it into every little corner. And don't worry about using too much butter, you really can't be generous enough when it comes to greasing the tin foil. Next up we have our ingredients, which are butter, golden syrup, light soft brown sugar, porridge oats and some ground cinnamon. We're going to start by putting the butter, sugar and golden syrup into a pan. Top tip from my mother-in-law is that you can actually do this part in the microwave, just make sure you use a microwavable dish. You want to stir the ingredients over a moderate heat until they've all completely melted. Next, add the cinnamon to the oats before adding in your melted mixture. Using a wooden spoon, combine the mixture until all the oats are completely coated. Next, you want to transfer your mixture to your prepared tray, making sure that you push the mixture into every corner and smooth out the top. Place your flapjack into your preheated oven and bake for 20 minutes. Carefully remove your flapjack from the oven. You may notice that your flapjack has actually risen a bit at the edges. I like to take a cold spoon and push down the edges while it's still warm. After your flapjack has cooled for a little while, remove it from the tin and peel off the tin foil.
So our flapjack is now completely cool, so the last thing to do is to cut it. In terms of sizing, it's personal preference, so I'm just going to cut mine to about the size the boys like. So there you have it, our delicious flapjack recipe. For more recipes like this, head on over to bakingwithgranny.co.uk. You'll also find us on Facebook and Instagram. And don't forget to share any of our recipes that you try with the hashtag bakingwithgranny. Until next time, happy baking!